there mga ka-plastic! Welcome back to another episode of our vlog.
Today, we are going to show you our bloopers and our reflections. And also today, the members are going to have a mission which is entitled Egg Hunt. The members will go hunt and find the eggs that have questions inside.
So mga ka-plastic, are you ready? Yes, we're ready! Let's go! So ayun guys, kami ay maghahanap ngayon ng itlog. Itlog ni Angel. So now, we are running to the oras. Ngayon guys, ako ay naghahanap na ngayon ng itlog. Oh, tignan natin dito guys kung meron dito. Oh, wala. We are hunting egg today. Oh, wala. Aray ko. Guys, meron ba kayong nakitang itlog? Wala. Wala ka bang nakitang itlog?
Wala.
Say shout out to my kwan. Shout out kay Melvin Ribuso. Oh, wala akong nakitang itlog ngayon dito. Oops. Oh, wala dito guys. Oh, andito na tayo. Oh, I can see you. Where's the egg now? I'm hunting the egg.
So yun guys, samahan niyo akong maghanap ng mga itlog. Yun guys. Uy, itlog! Tignan natin guys kung may laman. Ay, bokya. Saan kaya nakalagay yung mga itlog? Uy, ayun guys. Nakita ko na yung itlog. Babasagin natin guys kung may laman. May question guys.
Hey there mga ka-plastic! So ngayon, samahan nyo ako maghanap ng egg dito sa Kakahuyan sa Paniki High School. Tinago daw nila dito ang mga itlog sa mga gulong at mga kakahuyan. Tara, samahan nyo ako guys. Nandito lang sa mga gulong guys. Tingnan natin. Wala. Dito sa gilid-gilid guys, baka may makita tayo guys. Vlog. Na guys, meron dito guys. Tara, tignan natin kung may laman. Meron guys. Pokya guys. Hanapin natin yung may laman na papel na question. Guys, sa gilid. Bokya tayo guys. Guys, baka nandito sa gilid ng tangke. Tignan natin. Wala naman dito ang itlog. Walang itlog guys. Asan ang itlog?
Stop it. Get some help.
So ngayon guys, may nakita tayo dito. Isang itlog sa gilid ng puno. Ito yung isa guys. Tignan natin guys kung may laman o wala. Guys, wala guys. Wala pong laman. Ay, nandito ang isang question.
Hey there mga kaplastik! Ngayon, maghahanap ako ng itlog. Tara, at samahan niyo akong maghanap. Nga guys, dito na ako maghahanap ng itlog. Nasaan kaya? Nasaan kaya? Baka andito sa mga silong-silong? Papalik ulit tayo dito. Ay! Ayun! Nakita ko na. Ay, may laman. So, ayun guys. Kailangan natin hanapin yung may question sa loob. Uy! Ayun! Nakita ko.
Yung ibati daw mo sa niya na. So ayun guys, nagtitingin ako ng itlog dito. Uy! Ayun! Itlog! 1-0!
Uy, itlog yun ah.
Ewan ko kung bakit ganito mukha nito. Pero hindi ako magpapatalo!
Bakit andito to? Ako, huwag mong sabihin nakita niya rin yung itlog. Hindi to maaari.
Ang haba ng kanyang kamay! Ang bilis! Hindi ko ito maabot! Panalo ko na to. Wala na ba to? GG na to!
Ipapalo ko na to sa'yo.
Aray!
Bokya pala. Sorry.
Hayop ka!
So ito nga palang nakuha kong question guys. How did this subject change the way you view ICT? This subject, MTech, made me see ICT in a cool and amazing way. Especially with Vlog 1 to Vlog 7, we learn editing skill and in taking videos.
So, ito na yung nakuha kong question, guys. Are they tools to be used to achieve higher goals? Yes, it is a tool to be used to achieve higher goals. Cause with this, it made us a bit famous and confident in speaking.
So ayun guys, ang nakuha nating question ay, after going through the lessons and visiting online sites, reflects on how they are currently being used. Do you agree or disagree with it? After lesson and surfing online, I think that ICT tools are everywhere, sharing stuff, creating videos, image, and many more.
So yun guys, ito yung nakuha kong itlog. Karga ng itlog pala. Based on your reflection, do you have recommendation regarding ICT uses in the country? Based on our reflection, our recommendation regarding ICT uses in the country is that we should use ICT wisely and creatively. We should take this opportunity to use ICT because we have easy access and ICT have function.
Sunan sa tulata, tanong makita no iyiko mga dyan vlog. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kamusta? Oh, saan?
Naka-video!
1, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Ulit, cut! Yan!
Cut! Cut!
Uy, bakit katawa ka mo? Met adin ko.
Siyempre, katawa
Ulit niya ulit. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Oy, sabay ang kiss kay 20 heart.
Ay,
Thank you. Joke lang.
joke lang. Ano ha? Kinkinita kayo maduwa.
Alis mo. Alis, alis.
Kinkinita kayo maduwa. Sa, yan.
Pangit ulit.
May tajin
Naka-side mo hindi yan, naka-side mo.
Madali ni Robilin kung kita kanya. Sabi aja ba pang kalakuan.
Parta ka niya, Alain! Out of space na.
Demon.
Ata, smell kayo na.
1, 2,
Naka-smell kayo.
1, 2, 3, action. Meron.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Demon.
Ang good siya, Ajay, good.
Ulit.
Kita kayo. Kita kayo, sabi ko. Bilit.
1.
Oh, ito naman lang, Ganda natin ang bugay. Kaya ano, joke. So, you must get ready mga ka-plastic because we are going to have a little adventure today. Ulit yan.
Ulit.
Tangan mo yung walis.
Ulit. Balik ka na.
Una.
Sabi nga,
Amatan.
rate of 10.
Stone. Agree.
Tatay lang parang.
Go. Dito ba lang ulit?
Ang dami na ipang...
Two, three, go. Lakas ang kanyang kamay. Ang haba. Hindi ko maabot yan.
Panalo ko na to. Ay, kumain.
So, hey there mga ka-plastic. We thank you for your continued support and sad to say, but this is where our vlog ends. I would like to say thank you for my members for doing a great job, and I would also like to thank Sir RJ, our teacher in this subject. And my advice to those future vloggers is to just enjoy it and good luck. Please like,
Share and subscribe!
Trash Talkers
Now signing off!